So we're going to show you, we're going to talk about wear on rubber and how to change your rubber. We're at the ISSA convention. We are not doing too much cleaning, so this rubber is still in fairly good shape. But what we want to do is at least talk about where the wears would be at and also how to change it. So if you can come down here, you might be able to see some wears that we've done already on the rubber itself. Once you start wearing it out, you'll start actually getting around that corner will be completely gone. Right now it's still fairly good, but you can start seeing, at least some wear on it. The first thing that you'll want to start looking for is obviously streaks on your glass. More than anything is starting to look, you can dry the corner. You can dry the corner and start looking for that roundness. Typical window cleaners will change it on a daily basis. If you start coming across concrete or any type of debris on the glass, it may be sooner than that. If you're doing residential, you could take up to 2 or 3 days to clean. So the way that you would go about changing the rubber, it's fairly simple, but it's sometimes some things that just some window cleaners kind of don't train on because it's so easy. You'll pull the rubber out, take the clip out. So we'll do it on this side as well. Pull it off, take the clip out. And then on this side, we actually haven't flipped this rubber, so all rubbers you can flip them. So the side that I've got on my hand now is actually a really good and new side. So all you do is slide it up, pull it out enough. You can see the mark there for the clip where it has been. All you do is just slide the clip in. This clip has a small little tab at the end right there. That's where it'll hold it. You pinch it and then pinch back in. Sometimes it's a little hard, so you might want to use maybe the ground or the wall or something, just slightly tap it, any type of hard surface. You'll do it on the other side. Some window cleaners like to have it there. Some window cleaners like to have it at the end. And I can show you the difference there, yeah? Your channels will come with a rubber, and it'll be actually poking out a little bit just like this. Preference is actually this way, and I'll show you why. Once you get to wetting the window and drying the window, I like the end to not flop once we're cleaning. Yeah, you get a straight clean there. If you use the other, sometimes that corner might catch. Yeah? See that? Sometimes it might catch, and it just makes it a little more difficult on being efficient on the glass. So that's changing a rubber. It's fairly easy to do, but most window cleaners on the training side kind of tend to forget. Most new cleaners will learn it in the field. So that's just a brief tips and tricks on how to change a rubber.